Once again, welcome to your online class, students. Today we are going to revise your question answers, notes, and all these kind of things. So first, hard words I have opened for you. I am sharing with you. So just pay attention. Okay. First hard word is dangerous. Dangerous means which is danger for us, which can harm us. Parents. Parents are your parents, those who have given you birth. Okay. Next is neighborhood. Neighborhood means हमारे पड़ोसी. Okay. Those who live in nearby to us. Yes. Cities peacefully. Peacefully means shanti purvak. Okay, to maintain peace. Citizens are the those members who live permanently. Live. Okay. रिस्पॉन्सिबल, जिसने कुछ किया है, ठीक है, जिम्मेदार है वो कुछ करने का, ठीक है, इंचार्ज है, जिसे कुछ करना है, ठीक है, लाइक इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू टेक योर क्लास, है ना. गिल्टी, गिल्टी मीन्स दोषी, जिसने कुछ गलत किया है, फॉल्ट किया है. प्रोग्रेस, प्रोग्रेस मीन्स आगे बढ़ना. ओके. नाउ वर्ड मीनिंग्स. फर्स्ट वर्ड मीनिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबल. रिस्पॉन्सिबल का मतलब होता है इंचार्ज. ओके. जिम्मेदार, किसी चीज की जिम्मेदारी मिलना. ओके. नेक्स्ट गिल्टी. गिल्टी मीन्स एट फॉल्ट, गलती करना, दोषी पाया जाना. राइट, राइट मीन्स ए प्रिविलेज ग्रांटेड बाय लॉ. प्रिविलेज मीन्स, प्रिविलेज का मतलब होता है कोई बेनिफिट, कोई फायदा जो हमें लॉ से मिलता है या फिर कभी कभी बर्थ से भी मिल जाता है, लेकिन राइट्स जो है ये हमें लॉ से मिलते हैं. ठीक है. तो राइट इज ए प्रिविलेज नॉट बाय बर्थ बट ए प्रिविलेज ग्रांटेड बाय लॉ. ओके. Enable means to be able to do something. Enable means to be able to do something. Citizens are those persons, someone who has the right to live permanently in a particular country, who have right to live permanently in a country. Okay. Now summary. Rules are very important in our life. Rules are very important in our life. Rules helps us to live with one another peacefully. Okay. We can live with each other peacefully, with peace, with shanti. Okay. At home parents make rule, in school teachers make rule, in country leaders make rule. The Constitution of India contains the laws of our country. Okay. Constitution contains what? Laws of our country. It came into force on 26 January 1950. What? Constitution. Yes. And on 26 January we celebrate as Republic Day. Now answer the following. First question, what do family rules enable all family members to do? Family rules क्या करते हैं, किस चीज को करने के लिए इनेबल हो जाते हैं लोग, सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स. फैमिली रूल्स इनेबल ऑल फैमिली मेंबर्स टू शेयर वर्क एंड लिव टुगेदर. ठीक है. काम को शेयर कर सकते हैं और वो साथ में रह सकते हैं. What are the two rules that you follow at home? Home पे आप क्या rules follow करते हैं at your home? First one is, ये walk up लिखा है, this is by mistake बेटा, this is wrong spelling. Correct spelling is wake up, WAKE, wake up early in the morning. ठीक है. Correct it. Sleep early at night, है ना, जल्दी उठना सुबह में और रात में जल्दी सोना. These are two rules which some people follow at their home. Okay. Wait a minute. Next question I'll dictate you like this only. Okay. Next question in your book is when can a person's right be taken away? When a person is found guilty, or when a person has committed any kind of crime, or when a person has done something wrong. In your book also you can see this. I'll show you. See, when people break laws, जब लोग law को तोड़ते हैं, they can be punished for it, है ना. Lawbreakers have to pay fines or their rights can be taken away. So when people break law, they can be punished for that and their rights can be taken away. Okay, is that clear? Your book exercise once again I am going to revise in front of you. Yes, we must cross the road when the traffic light is red. Answer is red. When we break a rule, we are punished. Laws protect us from harm. By following laws, we help our country to progress. People who make rules for the country are called leaders. Okay? True, false, we share work to fight with another. False, raising our hand to say something is a rule. Yes, true. A law is a rule that everyone in the country must follow. True, we should cross the road when the traffic light is red. True, it is okay to throw the garbage on the streets. No, it is not okay. So that's all for today, students. Now you have to revise yourself and you have to learn the things. Okay, bye.